Acid reflux questions? Let us answer them for you. How is acid reflux defined? What can cause it? What makes your symptoms worse? How can you get rid of acid reflux once and for all? Are you looking for answers to your reflux questions? The following video will help you combat your acid reflux symptoms once and for all. It is important to avoid vigorous exercise if you deal with GERD. When you are compressing the stomach violently, you'll find that acid makes its way up into your esophagus. Instead, engage in moderate activity which helps you lose weight, stay in shape and yet ensures that acid stays where it belongs. Limit your liquid intake with meals if you're prone to acid reflux. Even healthy beverages like water can fill up your stomach fast, creating conditions that are conducive to acid reflux. Sip your beverage conservatively and never gulp it down. Wait a half an hour after a big meal to enjoy quenching your thirst. When you find you have acid reflux overnight, raise the head of your bed up at least 6 inches. This will keep your esophagus angled downwards, ensuring that acid stays in your stomach and doesn't try to creep back up towards your throat. If 6 inches doesn't help, try 8 instead. Loosen up if you've been dealing with too much acid reflux. Your clothing, that is. Tight pants, close-fitting shirts or pantyhose can make symptoms of acid reflux much worse. If you can, put a robe on or other oversized and very comfy clothes and take it easy. Your symptoms should at least be somewhat alleviated. In order to ameliorate the pain and discomfort of acid reflux, consider breaking your daily food intake into 5 or so smaller meals instead of 3 main ones. This helps prevent you from overloading your digestive system at any one time, making acids work more effectively in smaller amounts. You will soon start to notice a real change in your symptoms for the better. If you have been experiencing symptoms of acid reflux, try to cut down on the amount of alcohol you drink. Having some drinks tends to relax the muscles in the stomach. When this happens, people start to experience worsening of these symptoms. If you must have a drink, make sure to limit yourself to 1 or 2 drinks. Now, after watching the above information, you should understand what causes acid reflux to become worse and what you can do to feel better. Carefully look at your own life and see what triggers you have and how to counteract them. Use the tips you just read and you will eventually find a solution that works. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.